Welcome to my channel. Wow! Cute! Let's start to make it. A white paper, a hard paper, scale, a glue, a scissor, tape, plastic sheet, a cutter, a pencil, a white pen and a black marker.
Pencil and marker colors.
So let's start. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Well, it's ready. I will give it to my best friend. Hello! Hello! Thanks for watching.